Hey guys, it is me, Basic Chick. I'm back again for another video. Plus, I'm trying to stay up and stay with the swing of things. What's that about? Oh, I don't think I was supposed to do that. Darn it. Trying to get up and stay with the swing of things because, yeah, it's a bump. Okay. But I'll survive. Because I'm doing a 24-hour wear test with the foundation that I have on in the previous video. I did apply this makeup starting at 5 p.m. today. It is now 10 p.m. my time, and actually it is 10 minutes after 10. So I'm just sitting here. I'm watching Bridesmaids. That is a wonderful movie. If you've never seen it, it's awesome. So I'm watching that, and I decided that, I wanted to come and show you guys how I'm going to apply these nails. These Kiss and Press nails. They're press-ons. They're beautiful. I think I'm going to go with the matte. I have a glossy finish, but I really want to try the matte ones and see how they look on my fingers. I gave myself a little basic manicure off camera. I cut and filed my nails down just because when I do like this, I don't want you to see like my nails, And anytime I go to place anything false on top of my nails, whether it be like acrylic or anything like that, I always cut and file my nails. I don't know if it's helping to maintain my, what is it? My, the health of my nail bed, but that's what I've been doing. That's what works for me. If it has nothing to do with it, just let me live. Let me live. Let me live. And yes, I have on a bra underneath this camisole. I'm not a part of the big boob committee, but I'm not a small boob committee person member either. I'm in the comfort of my own home, and I'm sitting back and I'm enjoying filming this video. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so the packaging is very easy. It's plastic. I ordered myself a little pizza too to go with my movie. It seemed fitting. See? And they're almost like a ombre matte. And I got my accent nails. And on the back here, they give you this cute little prep pad, which they say is step 1. They give you this cuticle pusher, which is really cute. And they give you a cute little emery board, just in case you want to file anything down. Okay. This prep pad is enclosed to wipe each nail, clean up dirt or oil to secure adhesive bond with natural nail. So it's highly recommended that you use it. And it's not that big, so I guess it's pretty effective. I'm just gonna go for each nail individually, like so. Because I really like how this makeup turned out. I do. I do. Oh, that's my part, when they get caught by, in the park, exercising for free. If you've never seen the movie Bridesmaids, you have to see it. It is by far the funniest movie ever, in my opinion. Yep. Alright, so I usually go over each nail 2 or 3 times, so they're all clean, prepped, and ready to go. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit because it does say that it's flammable, even though I don't have any flames or anything around me, but I'm just gonna let that dry while I just open the rest of the packaging, which is very easy to open, but because I'm a klutz, things fly everywhere, all over the place. So, yeah. The lip crayon is very pretty as well. I like it, I like it, I like it. So I never take the nails out of like the display casing. And to be quite honest, I have yet to, just making sure I didn't drop it in the floor. I have yet to have even gotten to like that deep into a pack. So to be quite honest, because I haven't had to replace them like that much, they really hold up for me anyway, for the duration of however long I have them on. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. And they're really soft, you guys. Look, my piece is on its way, by the way. They're really soft. So I just kind of lay them out, so that I already have in order which nail is gonna go where I'm gonna put what nail, so that way I'm not fiddling around with that. It's not like when you do your makeup, because sometimes, you know, palettes and things, they don't work out and you can't just dive right into the makeup. You have to take it off and start over again. But with these nails, it's not like that. You can lay these out. You can get a feel of where you're going to begin. And they're also numbered so that you're kind of aware which nail is going to go on what finger. So, and also to the kind person that told me to put mascara on my lashes, I just want you to know that I did do that. I did. But they are still stiff. So, yeah. I'm just making sure, because like I said, they're numbered, that I have all of the numbers here that I need to be able to do a successful application of the nail. Because sometimes it just, you know, it can be a little touch and go. It can. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, so let's start. I'm gonna do left hand first, obviously, because I am right-handed, and that's my dominant hand, and I don't know, it's just nature. So all of you do is there was like a little plastic strip underneath, and so I peeled that portion off, and you're gonna remember which way to place the nail, because that longer part in the plastic should be at the cuticle. And oh crap, I didn't push my cuticles back. Darn it. Yeah, I did. With my manicure, I did. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna place the thumbnail on. That's funny. And you pinch the sides, and then you press down on the top so that it gets really in that cuticle. And look at that. They're work appropriate. They're small enough for me to have on at work so that it doesn't interfere, because I'm a medical assistant and I'm dealing with patients. So they're not inappropriate for work. They're perfect. They're the perfect size. They're the actual size that we're supposed to have. Sometimes, every now and then, you know, when I do go to the shop and get my nails done, they're a little long, but I've been behaving lately. We're trying to anyway. All right, so we're just... Hey guys, so I am back. I had to run downstairs to get my pizza. I find that when you're ordering food as late as I'm ordering food, it's like 10:30 at night, Eastern Standard Time. I'm here in Baltimore. That, you know, if you meet people at the door, that lessens the likelihood that they've tampered with your food. I don't know, because you know that's the thing now. So I just like them, and it can be comforting for the driver because you know they're already like unsafe, you know, a little nervous, a little hesitant, you know, because some crazy people in the world. But you know, I meet them at the door with the porch light on. Easy transaction. Everybody's happy. So I finished my left hand. See? I like it. I like it. My accent nail. I think my pinky nail's a little crooked, but as I wash my hands and stuff, like, it'll get right. And that's another thing. Like, I could wash my hands. I've washed my hair. I've played my curls. You know, I work changing my gloves out every day at work. And these things are really secure. Like, this is the next best thing. Like, I'm going to go right into the right hand, by the way. You know, I'm saving time. I'm saving money, obviously. And, you know, I'm saving time because some days I really don't feel like sitting in like a nail salon, you know, and I found a really good place to go, and the tech is wonderful. She's amazing. She does a great job on my nails. Absolutely amazing. But sometimes I just don't feel like it. Like, my job is so fast paced and very demanding that, you know, I'm tired, and then I have to save some of me for my 3-year-old, you know. Kids have a lot of energy these days, man. I mean, he is like a ball of freaking energy. Like, there is no denying that at all. And I wouldn't have it any other way. He's amazing. A little preemie. Mason was a preemie. I've said that in a previous video, but yeah, he was a preemie. He came at 31 weeks and 1 day. Oh my gosh, that's a big fly. That's a big fly. That's because I had my door open, signing that receipt for that pizza. All right, we gotta do something. I don't know where it went. I tried to get it, but I don't know where it went. So that accent nail for this right hand wanted to give me a problem. Everything wants to give me a problem tonight. Like, first thing it was the lashes, and now it's the accent nail, but it's on, and I'm happy. And the right hand is always challenging, of course, because it's my dominant hand, but it's on and it's secure. And so now I'm gonna do the little baby pinky nail for my right hand. Get that plastic off of there. And then we will be finished, you guys. And it really doesn't take long. It was just a simple fact that I had to pause the video, go to the door. I also had messages coming through because home alone. So I had messages coming through my phone and trying to answer them, and the Bluetooth's on, I'm recording. It's like a whole thing. It always is, it seems like. Every time I sit down to record a video, it's always something. It's always something. But I'm done. I'm done. I look like I went and got a manicure. They are so matte and soft and so pretty and girly and just feminine, and press-on nails will come a long way. A long way. I'm hot. It's a little warm. I'm ready to eat, watch some TV, find the fly. Yeah. Especially before I sit down to eat. So I'm going to end this little video. It was just a little nail tutorial. These are perfection. These nails are perfection, you guys. Grab you a pair. It is new. It is by Kiss. It is Impress. I bought these with my own money. They were not sent to me in PR. This video is not sponsored by Kiss. or any other company out there. I'm just showing you guys a quick fix to what may be your manicure woes, you know, and they're affordable, $5.99 each. I bought mine at Target, so check your local retailer. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, come back, see me. Thank you for letting this chick be basic. I'm gonna eat my pizza, watch some TV, and chill out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.